Good morning, guys. It is 4th of July and Reese is awake. I look like a hot mess right now because I just had surgery like 3 days ago. I want to say I'm 3 days post-op or 4 days. I got it on the 30th and it's the 4th day, so yeah, I'm 4 days post-op. Today we aren't really doing much. My family is having a barbecue. Rusty unfortunately works for the day part, but he gets off at 4, so he will be watching fireworks with us tonight, and I'm so freaking excited. If you guys watch my Disneyland vlog, you know how sad I was because I really wanted Reese's very first fireworks to be at Disneyland, but unfortunately they got canceled. Today is going to be his very first time seeing fireworks. Last night some went off and he heard them and he didn't really seem bothered by it, so hopefully he's not going to be too scared tonight. I think he's really going to enjoy it. I think he's going to find it really interesting. He really likes loud and fun and colorful and bright things, so I don't think he's gonna be scared, but we'll see. If anything, we have headphones for him or watch them from the car. So it's about his nap time. I can already see him laying down. Oh yeah, he's probably gonna go to sleep. I'll show you guys. Are you having raviolis? Look at yourself. Here you go. Mmm, yummy.
No. Yeah. Boom. Oh, get mommy's nose.
I know it. Yeah, I guess. All done.
Give mommy a kiss. Did mommy bite your finger?
It is way later in the day. It is, I think, almost 2 o'clock. Reese just woke up from his nap. I just fed him some lunch and now I'm gonna start on my makeup. I still look like a hot mess. I'm gonna do my makeup. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. I'm gonna wear a dress, so I don't know. My hair is also kind of greasy. It's on 3rd day hair right now. I don't mind it being up. Maybe with a dress it'll look better, if I did it nicer and brush it out, because right here it looks like a mess. But yeah, I'm gonna do fun makeup. I think I'm gonna go for my 2016 style makeup, which was super grungy looking, just very smoky dyed and stuff like that. Also, my skin has been breaking out so freaking bad lately. It's disgusting, but oh well. This is my favorite primer ever. It's the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Hydrating Primer. It is so freaking good. I need some new foundation because I don't think I'm this dark, but I'm also not as light as the other one, and I don't want to mix them. Maybe this is a good shade. I am pretty tan right now. Usually this is a little bit dark for me, but I have gotten some color this summer. I've been loving doing these fake freckles. They're so cute. I am so jealous of anybody that has freckles, real freckles. I have very few on my actual face. I have very light ones on my nose, and then I have a bunch on my back. But I want those cute freckles. Some people don't like how fake freckles look on people, but I don't know. I don't think I do them to the point where it looks bad. But maybe it does, and I'm just being delusional. Maybe people think it looks really stupid, but I don't care. I think it's really cute. So that's all that matters in my head. Alright, I think I did enough freckles. I usually don't do this much, but I was feeling it today. And then I go over with powder, which I've just recently started using, and I cannot believe that I didn't use powder before. Does that look even? I can't tell. I haven't done eyeshadow like this, I feel like, in so long. It looks not funny. Like, I think it looks cute, but like, I'm not used to it on me anymore. Do I want to do eyeliner? I can't tell if I want to do eyeliner, but then I want to wear eyelashes, so I think I'm going to. But I'm not going to do it like super intense. I say that now and then like cut to me in like 2 minutes with a huge ash wing. Well, looks okay. And then I'm gonna curl my lashes, put on mascara, and then my eyelashes. The lashes that I wear are Ardell Demi Wispies. They're just from Target. If you would have asked me like a year ago, would I ever start wearing false lashes, I would have told you hell no. I think that is good. I'm only for this to try, and I'm gonna curl these ones as well. And then I think I'm gonna top it off with just some lip gloss from ColourPop. And that is the finished look for today. Now I'm gonna put my dress on and I will be right back. I have my hair in like a half up, half down ponytail with some of these sticking out with 2 little red butterfly clips to go with the rest. I have my blue pretty dress, and yeah, I'm all ready. I'll show you guys what Reese is wearing right now. Are you ready? Look, Reese, ready?
Okay, I'm backing up. That's cool.